Hello everyone, welcome to MathMinds. Today, I've got an awesome geometry puzzle that's sure to make you think. We start with a triangle where one angle is 20 degrees and another is 80 degrees. Now, based on the length of this side, we draw a segment here. We mark a point such that this length is equal to this length. Then we connect these 2 points with a new line segment. And here comes the challenge. What is the measure of this mystery angle? Can you figure it out? Take a moment to try it yourself. And when you're ready, keep watching for the full solution. Let's begin by analyzing the large triangle. We already have 2 angles, 20 degrees and 80 degrees. So the third angle must be 180 minus 20 minus 80. That gives us 80 degrees. Now, this triangle has 2 angles of 80 degrees, which means the sides opposite those angles must be equal. So we've got an isosceles triangle here. Let's color these equal sides green to make them stand out. Here's the clever trick. Along the top side of the triangle, we construct an equilateral triangle as shown. All its sides are equal to the green side, and since it's equilateral, all the angles are 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees, and this angle will also be 60 degrees. The other angle will be 60 degrees in total, so this will be 40 degrees. Since the very top angle is 80 degrees, we know that this will be 80 minus 60 is equal to 20 degrees. Now we connect these 2 points and focus on the red triangle that forms. This triangle has 2 equal sides, each the same length as the green side. So again, it's an isosceles triangle. It has a central angle of 40 degrees, so the other 2 angles must be 180 minus 40, divided by 2. That gives us 70 degrees each. So here we have the 70-degree angle, and another angle shared with a 60-degree angle. So the leftover angle is 70 minus 60 is equal to 10 degrees. Now we return to the full diagram, and we're ready to solve for our final mystery angle. Here's the key insight. Let's look at these 2 triangles. They're congruent by the side-angle-side theorem. Each has a red side, a 20-degree angle, and a green side. That means their larger obtuse angles must be equal. So this angle over here equals 80 degrees plus 70 degrees, which gives us 150 degrees. Now our desired angle is 180 minus 150, which equals 30 degrees. And that's the answer. Did you figure it out? But wait, I've got one more challenge for you. Can you solve for the mystery angle in this new diagram? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right. I'll reveal the full solution in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks a ton for watching and supporting the channel. Until next time, bye for now.